Hey, how's everyone doing today? Hopefully you're doing pretty good. Computer MD of Gilbert here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cool Windows Movie Maker tutorial, or Windows Movie Maker intro for your videos on YouTube or whatever videos you may be using in Movie Maker. Now, the only reason I'm doing this video, well, to benefit you guys, but I was messing around trying to create an intro of my own for obviously my channel here, Computer MD of Gilbert. So this is the one I came up with, and this is the one I'm going to use. I also have another one coming in tomorrow, so I'm going to use both of them. But this is what I have so far, so let me show you what I have. I'm going to make it big for you guys. The music is going to be changed, by the way. Alright, now it's just on loop. So, that was my intro, and I'm going to move that like right there. So, it's a really cool thing. Now you may be asking yourself, can you only have this matrix, or what else can I use? And listen, people, I feel for your problems, and I'm here to solve them. So let me show you exactly how to do it. Alright? So I'm even gonna I'll do this. I'm gonna delete it, and I'll show you from scratch. Sound good? First step is you go to movietools.info. Now I will put the link to this website in the description below, so all you have to do is go to the description below and follow the steps I give you. Alright, so in the link it's gonna give you the link straight to this page right here. Now when you get to this page, what you're gonna do is you're gonna scroll down, alright? And as you can see, you start to see these loops, alright? Now, these are obviously what you would use to make your intro. Now, there's all different ones. As you can see, I use this one, the Digital Rain. There's the Plasma Tunnel, the Red Energy, and then as you can see down here at the very bottom, there's different pages with stuff on them. So I'll go all the way to 5. And now you have a News Intro, Abstract Plasma. This one's pretty cool. But as you can see, there's so many of them you could get, and they're all really pretty cool. So what you do is, once you choose the one you want, and I'm gonna go back to the one I originally got, which is the Digital Rain. Let me show you. Let me get there for you guys. Sorry. Okay. So what you're going to do is, you're going to click on the one you want, and this is the same for all of them. This step is the same, so just so you know, it's not different because this might not be the same clip you want. So then once you do that, I'm not going to download it right now for the sake because I already downloaded it, but what you do is you have the choice of getting a QuickTime file, which is an MOV, or a Windows Media file, which is WMV. I got a Windows Media file. I have Windows, so that's what I got. Now, you just click download. Obviously, it downloads. You put it to wherever you access your downloads or documents, wherever you keep your video stuff. That has nothing to do with how to do it. That's just wherever you keep your files. So after you do that, you next have to go to this place called fonts.simplythebest.net. Now, I'm also going to put a link to this in there. So with this, now you could pick from all different fonts. I chose the 3D fonts, and then from 3D, you also, not only do they have like titles for different ones, but they also have all these different fonts inside each like platform of it, or each title. So I got the Back to 1982 one. So when you do that, what you do is you press preview, and then it'll bring you to this. And then what you do is you just click download, and then again it saves it to a WinRAR, and then you just have to double click it and then save it into your files. It's again wherever you keep your video files, like that. So that's how you those are the first steps you have to get. Now once you get it in your files, you next have to obviously go to Movie Maker. So open up Movie Maker. When you do that, click to get your file, and then go into your files and grab wherever you put that video, that little clip. So mine's right here. Now when you put it in, what you're gonna do is, obviously I already have the music on it, see, but what you do is you put the clip in, and then the music, obviously you go to add music, and you just add whatever music you want. That's just personal preference. Now once you have your clip in here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to caption, okay? And then you'll, wherever you want it on your screen. So I'll just keep it right there, and I'm gonna change the font to 36 so it's bigger, and I want my font color to be this color and bold. Now you can move your, whoops, that was a mistake. Sometimes that'll happen to you on Movie Maker. So I'm gonna want 36, nope, my bad guys, 36 and bold. Now from, sorry, I keep forgetting I have to type in there first. Alright, my bad here, people. Okay, so now here's the cool part. Whatever font you chose, and you have to make sure you know the name of the font when you get it, okay? So remember I chose back to 1982? Well, the very cool thing is it shows up here in your fonts on Movie Maker when you download that font. So now it's at back to 1982, and that's the one I chose. Now watch. Does this look familiar like my intro? It should. So now I have my text on there. And then if you put it all together, and remember, you have to try to remember the name of your font. If you don't, just go back into your files and look at the name. But just remember the name of it, because when you go to your fonts up here, it will be on that list if you downloaded it correctly. And it's pretty easy to download, so you should have done it correctly. And then it all comes together to look like this. Obviously a little bit more clear. So that is exactly how you add a cool intro on Windows Live Movie Maker. Thank you everyone for watching, and keep watching my channel for more tutorials and help out and how-to videos.